Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product unopenings and unboxings. Today I'll be reviewing the Sudio earphones. So let's go ahead and check it out. So you got the earphones over here. Oh, a wireless charging pad. Shaped life through immersive sound. Ew, cool. Love the branding. Oh, comes with a cute little case. And oh, there is something under there. You have the ear tips up here, and then down here we have the charging cable, and then of course the owner's manual. Let's check that out so I know how to use them. All right, so the first thing that you see on the back is that it says charge before you use it. Love how these look, just such a nice chic case. I hope they fit super well and snug and tight in my ear. Definitely fits nice in there. Ooh, different size ear tips. Oh, and it's a magnetic close. So you basically just put these in. You can just plug it in there and then have it charged. Comes with a nifty little register your product to claim your extended warranty and make sure to sign up within 3 months of your purchase. I like that they made it into a cloth, so it's like a dual purpose, so you can wipe your stuff and then be reminded to do your warranty. That's cute. 30 hours of playtime, dual microphone technology. It's a certified sweat and water resistant, so you can use this while working out. You might actually want to change out for maybe a bigger size when you're working out because there's so much movement. Okay, so first we can go ahead and connect it to the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is Sudio 2 or E2 to get it started. It tells you exactly how to operate it. 1 tap you can play, 2 taps you fast forward, and then 3 taps if you want to increase the volume, you go ahead and right tap, decrease, left tap. And then to pick up a phone call, you tap once on the left, and then to end, you can press and hold. So go ahead and connect it to the Bluetooth. It's just Sudio E2. All right, so in order to turn these on, go ahead and pop them into your ear, and then go ahead and just press and hold both sides. Yes, and then it will say on. Okay, so it's connected now to the Bluetooth. Let's go to Pandora and play whatever is playing right here. Left, you wanna go ahead and tap it 3 times to lower the volume. Turn the volume up, go ahead and press the right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so in general, I mean, it's super comfortable. I don't feel like, they're about to fall out of my ears. I would recommend these. I would say they're like the cheaper version of the earpods. So if you wanna purchase it, go ahead and check out the link below. And for more product reviews, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.